Hi guys! Today I am collaborating with VPFashion to give away two 20-inch ponytail extensions. The winner can choose one of 22 different colors that they're offering for this giveaway, and the giveaway is going to be on this YouTube channel for one of the ponytail extensions, and all of the directions to enter is down below in the description box. And if you want to enter for the other ponytail extension, that's going to be running at the same time, but it's going to be on my Instagram at Beauty101 by Lisa. So just look for the picture of me wearing a pink ponytail, and the directions for that will be in the description box below the picture. VPFashion is also having a huge Valentine's sale from February 1st to February 14th, and I will put all of that information down below in the description box. I also have a discount code for you guys that you can use any day of the year. It's BeautyLisa for $10 off. If you guys have been following me, you know that I have been wearing my ponytail extensions a lot since I burned off most of my hair with bleach. It is finally getting healthy and growing. You can see there's just a tiny bit of bleach left on the bottom. It's getting there, but I still love to switch up my look. So this is the ponytail extension that I'm usually wearing. And to get this color, I bought the 613A from VPFashion. That is the dyeable DIY color. And I'll pop up a picture of what it looked like before I turned it into this color. If you are going to dye your ponytail any kind of pastel color, this is the color that you want. So to get this color, all I did is use my Rue Fanciful silver lining. I just poured this into a bowl and I dunked this right in there and just let it soak for a second, took it out and just went like this to get rid of some of the color, and just let it hang to dry, and it went from that blonde to this color. I also have this one that I cut to be shorter, and I usually will use this one as a bun, and I can get just this huge gorgeous top knot out of this. I have done so many videos on different ways that I style my ponytail extensions, and I will link all of those below, or you can just go to my channel in the hair section and you'll see all of the videos that I've done on these. This is my newest hair extension. I am like so psyched about this one. This again was the 613A color, and I dyed this with Overtone color depositing conditioner. So I did the kind of ombre gray to pink, and I'll show you the overtone colors that I used to do this. I used the pastel silver. That is this color to do the top part, and literally all you do is put on gloves, put your hand in there, pick up the color and just wipe it on, get it all in there and let it sit. I let it sit for about a half an hour just to really get it soaked in there. Then to get this bottom pink color, I used the rose gold, that is this color, and pastel pink, and I'll show you them both together. So I mixed both of these colors together to get this color of my extension. I also use the overtone in the bottom part of my hair where there's still bleach so that it blends with my natural gray. So I'll show you guys how easy this is to clip in, and this is the ponytail extension I'm going to be wearing in the picture on Instagram for if you want to enter for the second ponytail extension. So on the back side it has these little combs, and this is just going to clip right into your ponytail. So all you do is take this little comb and you're going to place it right there, so it's right on top of your ponytail holder. And then this is Velcro, so you're going to wrap this around until the Velcro closes, and I pull mine really tight Hopefully you hear that close. So now it's clipped with Velcro. Then you just take the rest of the hair and wrap it around. Oh, my daughter's FaceTiming me. Hi!
Mimi's going out.
No, Mimi's doing a video. Look, Mimi's got pink hair.
Oh my God.
Do you like it?
Yeah, they're so pink.
It's so pink. You want to say hi to everybody?
Oh, don't get me in.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
That's my little granddaughter, Peyton. All right, hang on. Mimi's got to finish wrapping her ponytail in. You want to watch? Okay, so you just keep wrapping. Can you see? Just keep wrapping this around. Oh, I got a little piece of pink in there. That's okay. Keep wrapping. And then when you get to the end, you take bobby pins. And I try really hard not to use my teeth, because that breaks your teeth, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you're still sick, honey? I'm sorry. Do you feel better?
Yeah.
Good. No more fever?
No.
A little
Mild.
Oh,
Nothing crazy.
that's good.
She took a 4-hour nap today.
I'm gonna haircut tomorrow.
We'll talk to Mimi when she's
You are?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. So you just keep taking the bobby pins and what am I stuck on? So you just keep taking the bobby pins and go from every direction, and this will not come off. I love these so much. I am like so excited about this pink one. I was actually thinking of dyeing my actual hair pink, but then I made the decision to just do the extension. All right, so that's it. This is the pink one that I did. Oh my gosh, I love this color. Do you like it, honey?
Mimi has pink hair.
Yeah. Do you want to have pink hair too?
Yeah.
Is that pretty?
Yes.
Yes. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, just look down in the description box. And if you want to enter the other giveaway for the other ponytail extension, go to my Instagram, Beauty 101 by Lisa. And you can check out the Valentine's sale at VPFashion from February 1st to February 14th. Again, everything will be linked below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.